Hey everyone, Billy Folks here with MarineMax Houston. Today I wanted to show you the all-new 2019 Sea Ray 21 SPX outboard. First thing I want to point out is the Mercury 200 horsepower outboard motor. It's mounted there on the transom, which I want to also point out. There's plenty of room on the swim platform for y'all to walk around and jump off the boat. The next thing I want to point out is this reclining area. This does face you towards the stern of the boat so you can watch the kiddos out there having fun playing. The next thing is with the outboard option, we get all this storage in the boat. Right now it's got the cover in there. As you can tell, you can fit plenty of other things in there. From there, I want to point out a ski tow point, also a shade area. This is the wakeboard tower on this boat. Gives you plenty of shade in here, protects you from the sun, and when you have a breeze coming through here, it feels really nice, especially on a hot day like today. From there, I'll point out, we do have a built-in removable cooler, actually. You pull this out, bring it up to the house, fill it with ice and drinks and everything, conveniently carry it back out, and you're good to go. From there, I'll bring you to the captain's chair. So, with the captain's chair, it does have a bolster, and it does slide forward and back. So, those of you with the long legs, the tall guys, you can definitely fit in here. In the display area, we do have a Simrad Go 5. That's an all-in-one navigation touchscreen fish finder, depth finder. Also, we have the Fusion head unit and access to all your switches, your bilge pump, your blower, all that good stuff. On this side, this is the companion's chair. It does have a bolster seat as well, so you can look over the windshield if you like, catch a little wind in your face. From there, we'll go up to the front. It's a really nice bow area. You can hang out up here, have the kids up here. The ladies can sunbathe or the guys can sunbathe, whoever wants to. Again, you guys, this is Billy with MarineMax. Give me a call whenever you can. Thank you.